Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I have a quick project I'm going to use LightBurn. I have a little knife that has nothing engraved on it, and a friend of mine has a not-so-common name, and she was mentioning that when her dad got her stuff, they never was customized with her name, even though her brother's was. So recently I got a hold of a couple knives and they had nothing on the wooden handle, so I thought I'd put her name on it. So in LightBurn, I just did a quick scan using my little webcam I have hooked up through LightBurn, and then I'm going to add her name to it. So I can position it and get it moved into the approximate location. Once it's there, it's not exactly where it's going to show up, so I will just have LightBurn do some points. The screen capture software wasn't working so well, so here's the actual video. So here's the top of the A, then I come over to it's either the dot of the I or the top of the L, and then it comes over to the tail of the last trailing A, and then I just check the lower part. I check the bottom of a couple of the N's that are on there, and then also the bottom of the A to make sure that it's all going to be on the handle itself. Everything seems to be lined up where it should be, so I'm going to start the burn. I'm doing a horizontal bidirectional burn. I'm running this at 1,000 millimeters a minute at 30% power. And this is a 5.5 watt diode or LED laser. And as you can see, it's doing a great job of burning in the letters. Look at that, looks great. So here's what it looks like back in LightBurn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a rescan of this area so that we can see exactly where the letters are in the scanned image. And as you can see, they're just slightly off from where I'd wanted them to be. This is partially due to needing to realign my camera within LightBurn. But it gets me close, and that's all I really needed. There were 2 knives in this kit, so I took the time and burned her name in both of them.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.